Hello, in front of me I've got Doom the Dark Ages. In this video I'll show you how to manage accessibility settings. In the beginning, from main menu of the game, let's go to settings. Scroll up in the game, and here you can enable Parry Recolor, environmental ScreenShake, CameraShake amount, world desaturation. Next, you can change enemy color, hazard color, interactable color, pickup color, attack color, shield breakable color, enemy leader's color, and parable attack color. In the end, you can enable or disable shield throw seek. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.